So guys, now the time is 8:40 in the night and अभी हम लोग निकले थोड़ा कल का प्लान बनाने. कल हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं 7 आइलैंड टूर, तो उसी का थोड़ा इन्फॉर्मेशन निकालेंगे.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit.
Good morning guys, good morning from Phuket. Now we are leaving Phuket and we'll go to Krabi. And today is day 4 of our journey.
We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. What's right. The world is dead but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are
We are boarded at our cruise and we are ready to leave for Krabi.
We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there is no light anymore, no light anymore. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are
So guys, we have reached to the port and from here we have to take a transfer. I don't know how much time it will take to reach the hotel. Which one? Hello. guys, we have checked into our resort, which is Aonang Paradise Resort in Krabi, and look at the view of this resort.
We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. What's right. The world is dead but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. Surrounded by the night, we live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light.
तो अभी हम लोग आए हैं इस रिसोर्ट के पूल को थोड़ा चेकआउट करने। अभी नहीं उतरेंगे, अभी फ्रेश भी नहीं हुए, जस्ट इधर आए और लगेज रख के ही चले आए पूल को चेकआउट करने। दिस इज द पूल गाइज।
We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there is no light anymore, no light anymore. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. What's right. The world is dead but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. Surrounded by the night, we live to die. We are shadows in the neon light.
So guys, now the time is 8:40 in the night and अभी हम लोग निकले थोड़ा कल का प्लान बनाने। कल हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं 7 आइलैंड टूर, तो उसी का थोड़ा इन्फॉर्मेशन निकालेंगे। बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन सेंटर है कौन सा रेट बेस्ट है वही देखेंगे। और सभी बोल रहा है कि इधर वेदर थोड़ा ख़राब है, मतलब बारिश का सीज़न है, रोज़ ही बारिश हो रहा है। आज भी शाम से बारिश स्टार्ट हुआ था और वही डर है, अगर बारिश ऐसा चलता रहा तो कल का भी प्लान पूरा ख़राब हो जाएगा।
We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die.
Guys, we are booking our tour for tomorrow, which is 7 Island tour from here. This is Maraya Travel and Tour Branch 1. This one, and the price for 2 person is 1500 baht. And let's see how the tour is. I'll show you tomorrow. So now we are going to the night market. It is a bit far from our hotel. I think we have to take a tuk-tuk. And how excited you are for tomorrow? We have booked the 7 Island tour.
Excited. I want to share some information. In Krabi, there is not too much things to do. The Krabi Island tour you can do from Phuket also. And after coming here also you can do. The atmosphere of this Krabi is little bit different from Phuket. And only two things we found which we can do in Krabi. Oh, sorry. The first one is the night market hopping, and second thing is the 7 Island tour, which one we have. Let's see tomorrow how will be the experience. I don't know. Hope for the best.
We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. The world is dead but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we're surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon light. We are shadows in the neon. We are We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there is no light anymore, no light anymore. 'Cause we are born